Hi, this is a tutorial on the paintbrush color change. The paintbrush color change is a color change which looks something like this. You rub the card and the card changes. That's not the performance, but I'm gonna do it right now. So I'm gonna have the Shinlim card on top to grab the. I flipped over the top card, which is upside down. 1 second. Okay, there we go. And so I'm gonna use the Shinlim card, which is also the Queen of Spades, to disappear the Joker. And the Joker can be any card, and I really mean it. It can be any card. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Shinlim card to just 1, 2, 3 to disappear the card. And like I said, the Joker can be anything, and it even can disappear. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just snap my finger, and the Joker is back to normal. Again, let's do the color change again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the Shinlim card. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's it. So that's basically the move, which is the paintbrush color change, and I just revealed how it does. So again, 1, 2, 3. There. So now let's get into the tutorial. So I have 3 cards, which is obvious. And so now let's get into the move. So the first step you're gonna do is you're gonna put the you're gonna flip over the top card. This is how it's actually done. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make the deck face up, and you're gonna grab the top card. But instead of grabbing the top card, you're gonna grab a double lift. But the spectator is gonna think that you're grabbing one card. And if you don't know how to do a double lift, then I don't know what to tell you. So you're gonna grab a double lift, which is this. This is a double lift. There's 2 cards, and then so 2 cards. We have the Ace of Spades and the 5 of Clubs. But I'm gonna switch the places because this looks better. And then what after you grab your double lift from the face up deck, you're gonna flip over the deck and make all the cards go face down, which is all common sense. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip over the top card, and then this is where the move begins. So after you grab your double lift and you have the top card face up, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna put the card on the deck, and you're gonna explain to the spectator that you're gonna use the Ace of Hearts to disappear the 8 of Clubs. So now this is the tutorial. So first you're gonna grab a double lift and put these 2 fingers under, which is your index finger, middle finger, and thumb. These 2 fingers are gonna go under the card. The middle finger is approximately to the right down corner of the card. So you're gonna grab the card like this, and you're gonna just explain to them what you're gonna do. And after that, you're gonna bring your finger over here, and instead of keeping in that position, you're gonna flip over your hand like this. So you put the card on the deck, you flip over the finger and bring it here. Now you're in this position, here. Not that complicated. Your index and middle finger are on top, and your thumb is on the bottom. Then after this, it's kind of hard to do the move when you're holding it like this. The thumb is gonna have a hard time letting go of the other card. So what I would recommend is I always do, even the performance, I like to put my fingers a little bit higher, not in the middle, because this just looks weird. No one holds a card like this. So I would recommend it holding it right here, even a bit higher, like this. This is how I would usually hold it. And then you're gonna grab the card and lift it up. And this is the part that no one's gonna notice. The corner, you're gonna put your index finger, your non-dominant half index finger, on all these cards corner like this. And then you're gonna grab your double lift and align it with this one too. So your index finger is holding the corner of all cards, including the double lift. And what does that do? If I don't hold it like this, the card might end up looking like this, and everyone can just tell what you did. So it's really important. This is the big part and makes the magic trick so much easier. That your corner is matching with the other hand corner, and helps you score up the cards as well. So you're gonna hold it like this, and in the beginning you also can use your pinky for the other corner. So you're holding the deck like this. This comes in the center, and while you're performing the move, this doesn't happen, which is, or something like this, which doesn't look that good, doesn't look appealing, and the spectator can probably guess what you did. So this hand goes here, and this pinky goes here for the beginners. If you're not, you can just do this. And I don't know if you're not a beginner while you're watching this. So you're holding the index fingers here, you're putting the corner, screwing it up. Then the process, you're gonna do 1, 2, and the third count, your thumb is just gonna let go, and you're just gonna grab it and pull it back. Again, you're gonna square it up, 1, 2, 3, and boom, that's the color change. But the thing is that the paintbrush color change is a color change that I usually do it in middle of other magic tricks. It's not a move that I do for I just don't go and perform this alone. I do it in other magic tricks, and there's a lot of examples you can find on the internet where people perform this in the middle of the magic trick. And so yeah, that was the paintbrush color change. Let's do an overview. You have the 5 of clubs. You're gonna hold it like you're gonna do a double lift. Put your finger here, square it up with this index finger. You're gonna 1, 2, 3. That wasn't very smooth. 1, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And you also want to hold your non-dominant hand at kind of an angle. So when you're doing this, you can't see the back because it's supposed to look like this. They can't see the back, so you kind of give it at an angle. You go 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's how it's done. Let's do it a little bit quicker. I can also use my pinky. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that's the paintbrush culture. Thanks for watching, and yeah.